everyone, and welcome back to my channel Daisy Apparel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some of my spring sewing plans, or crafting plans just in general. To start off this season, I would like to knit a sweater vest, which I have some white yarn here that I think I'll use to knit the vest. It's just this Patrons Beehive Baby Sport Weight yarn, and it's in a white color. I think that this will be really nice to wear because it's knitted, so it should be warm, but also it's sleeveless, so it won't be too warm. And I also have a couple photos of inspiration of what I think I may want the vest to look like. I would also like to sew a t-shirt, or a few of them. I currently don't have very many t-shirts in my wardrobe, so I think it'd be really nice if I can make some more. I'd also like to sell some more tank tops for my wardrobe, as I don't have very many of those either. I think it'd be really cute if I sewed a jacket either from corduroy or like a fleece, and then just have it be buttoned up. I have a couple examples which I'll put on the screen now, but I think it would be really cute and a nice item to add to my spring wardrobe. I would also like to add a couple more spring tops to my wardrobe. I have some different styles I'm thinking about doing, which I'll put some photos up of possible ones, but I just think it'd be nice to have more. I really like the polka dots or small floral print fabrics, so I may try to do some tops in those fabrics. This season, I'd also like to sew a baby doll dress. I've seen these dresses around for a while now, and I just haven't gotten around to making them, so I think it'll be a cute outfit to add to my spring wardrobe. I also found a mid-sewisty pattern which is free, and it's for like a rib knit top and coat thing. I'll put a photo of it up now. It seems really cute, and I'd like to get some rib knit fabric to make this. On my Pinterest, I found a photo of this really cute top, which is unique and I haven't seen many tops like it, but I think I'll give it a go at making it, which the photo should be up on the screen now. There's also a breezy knit cardigan by Garden Inspirations, and I would really like to knit that too if I have enough time, because I think it seems like the perfect cardigan to wear in spring or early summer. I hope you enjoyed hearing about some of my spring sewing plans, and maybe it gave you some inspiration for what you can make this spring season. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it or would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click the notification button to see if I make any of these projects. Thank you, bye!